Students, today we will start with exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Find each of the following product. What is product? The answer of multiplication is called product. When you multiply two values and after multiplication whatever you get, that is called product. Okay. So 3 multiplied by minus 1. 3 ones are 3 with minus sign. So your answer is minus 3. Minus 21 multiplied by minus 30. When two negative sign multiply, it is changed into positive sign. So minus multiplied by minus will become plus. So multiply 21 into 30. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. 0 I have kept as it is. Now here multiplication of 3 digits. So first multiply these two values. Whenever you multiply any value by 0, your answer is 0 only. So minus 15 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by minus 18. First I have multiplied these two values. And again 0 multiplied by minus 18 is 0. So your answer is 0. Okay. 9 3s are 27. This is minus 3. So 9 multiplied by minus 3. 9 3s are 27. Minus 27. And multiply by minus 6. When you multiply two minus sign, same like question number C, it will become positive. Now multiply 27 multiplied by 6. 6 7s are 42. Carry 4. 6 over 12. 12 plus 4. 16. So your answer is 162. Or you can multiply like this. 3 6 are 18 and 18 9s are 162. Now multiplication of 4 digits. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. Again 2 minus sign. So 2 ones are 2. It will become positive 2. And 3 4s are 12. Minus 3 multiplied by 4. It will become minus 12. And 2 multiplied by minus 12. So 12 2s are 24. So your answer is minus 24. You have to remember, you have to learn the rules of integers. Again, minus 3 multiplied by minus 6. 6 3s are 18. So it will become plus 18. First I will multiply this 2. Now I will multiply this 2. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. 2 ones are 2. 18 twos are 36. Your answer is. Question number second is verify the following. So first we will solve this left hand side. 18 multiplied by, first solve this bracket. 7 plus minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, and 18 4s are 72. So when you solve your left hand side, you got 72. Same way, solve this. 18 7s are 126. 18 7s are 126. Okay, plus 18 3s are, see this is negative sign. 18 3s are 54. Minus 54 because this is minus 3. So 126 minus 54 is equal to 6 minus 4, 2 and 12 minus 5, 7. Your left hand side is equal to right hand side. So finally you can write LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. After this you can write hence verified. This is your proving. Okay students. Now question number 5. Find the product using suitable properties. You have to find the product using some properties. Okay. 26 multiplied by minus 48. This is one group. And minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. 26 multiplied by minus 48, in between plus sign is given, and this is minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. Now look here, what is common in this question? You can look here, minus 48 and minus 48 is common. So I will take common. Minus 48, I will use it only once. And what is remaining, that I will put in bracket. This is 26 plus this plus and minus 36. This is remaining. I will open bracket. 26 plus minus minus 36. 26 minus 36 is minus 10. And minus multiplied by minus, you know that minus multiplied by minus will become plus. So 48 multiplied by 10 is equal to 480, your answer. Here we have used distributivity property. Distributive property. First I have taken common minus 48 and whatever is remaining 26 plus and minus 36 I have kept in bracket. First solve this bracket, then multiply it. Okay. Same question here. See, 15 multiplied by minus 25 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 10. All the values are multiplying to each other. So here I will make group. So minus 25 multiplied by minus 4. One group is this. And 15 multiplied by minus 10. Minus 25 multiplied by minus 4, this will become plus 100, minus multiplied by minus will become plus, and 25 4s are 100. And 15 multiplied by 10, this will become minus 150. Okay, so 100 multiplied by minus 150. So your answer will be 15000 with negative sign. Okay. Now this question, first we have to split it. How you will split? Minus 41. Split this 102 into two parts. 100 plus 2. Now this is also your distributive property. Minus 41 multiplied by 100. So you will get 4100. And minus 41 multiplied by plus 2. So you will get minus 82. Minus minus plus and sign of minus. So 4182 is your solution. When you use property, it becomes easy to find the solution. Okay. Now this question, minus 57 multiplied by minus 19 plus 57. Okay. So what is common in this? 57 and 57. So what you will do here? First you will do one thing. Minus 57 multiplied by minus 19, and here I am writing 57 multiplied by 1 to make group. So 57 multiplied by 1 is 57. I have not changed anything in the question. So what is common in this? This is minus 57 and this is plus 57. Means these two values are not common. Okay. So what you will do? You have to make common. So I will give this minus sign to his partner. So 57 multiplied by, okay, minus 19. I have given this minus sign to this minus 19. Now you can take common. Your 57 and 57 become positive. So 57 is common. So what is remaining in bracket? Minus multiplied by minus will become plus 19 and this plus 1. So 19 plus 1 is 20 and 20 multiplied by 57. 0 as it is. 2 7s are 14, carry 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. So 1140 is your answer.